Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can activate international markets on your Shopify. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's what I'm going to do right now. So after you log in into your Shopify store, what you need to do, guys, next, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on markets. Now, as you can see here, guys, you can see inactive, inactive, you will see here international market. Click on it. And if you can see here inactive in the top right, click on it in the top right, and then you want to click select active. And after that, make sure you save the changes. Now you have successfully activated international market, but you have to add the shipping rates. And also, as you can see here, guys, you can also add here import. Like if you want to collect taxes, you can click here, and you can turn this on if you want to collect taxes from international markets, from countries and regions in the international market, as you can see here. Now, as you can see a lot of things here. For example, taxes, and you can manage the payment methods you accept worldwide. You can do a lot of things here, but the most important here is to add the shipping rates. Now, after you activate the international market, what you guys need to do next, you want to click again on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on shipping and delivery, and then you want to click here where it says general, and then after that you want to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see here, guys, international, international, you will see here rate, name, condition, price. So you need to click on add a rate, and here it says custom, and here the custom rate name, for example, standard. And here the custom delivery description, for example, next ships the next day. The price here you can charge, for example, 200. This is dirham currency, so in dollars it's going to be like $20. Then click done. After that, make sure you save your changes in the top. And that's exactly, guys, how you can activate international market. Now I'm going to click on products, on my products, to see if I have activated. As you can see here, guys, in the top right now, anyone in this in the international market can purchase from my store. And that's exactly, guys, how you can enable or how you can activate international market. That way a lot of people are going to purchase, like they are going to like be able to purchase from your store. So that's exactly why you need to activate international market. If this one helped you, drop a like, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single one. See you guys in the next video.